Okay, we're back to the inlet manifold now. I've got it in the device here, so it's off the van, and we can give it a good cleaning, a good reaming with some metal wire that I have. So I've got a couple of different gauges of metal wire here in a drill. I've got this thin gauge in the drill at the moment, but I have some thicker wire as well, just in case we need a bit more grunt to get to clear out the carbon from this. So basically the idea with this is that you drill through from the bottom of the inlet manifold here, and you're going to try. You're basically trying to chisel the carbon away. It's very strong stuff that's built up in there, so it's likely to be very blocked. But yeah, we'll try and just break it up with this wire here. So it's important actually doing this to always run the drill in reverse, because you don't want, what'll happen is otherwise the cable will unravel inside, and yeah, that's it. It'll get stuck in there and everything. So that's not good. You also want to kind of make what I've done here, I've made a sort of a little drill tip end onto it, just kind of formed it with some pliers and stuff. So we're going to try and drill in here now and see if we can get some of the material out. So let's just get this. So it's important to, wear strong gloves, because you need to guide this to go in. You don't want it whipping around the place with the drill. So let's drill in. Okay, we got some of the way in there. Doesn't seem to want to go any further though. All right, well, we can kind of mark where we got to here. Just get a permanent marker and just leave a little mark there so you get an idea of where you actually got to on the thing. And then sort of approximate where we got to. Just about the bend there, I think, which is kind of likely to be where all the carbon is built up. So this might take a little while to actually go at. So we'll just keep going at it and see how far we get. Okay, I've been at this for quite a while now, just trying to drill through, and it doesn't seem to be making any progress. It's getting to about there where I've left a mark, but it doesn't seem to be getting any further. I think the carbon is so packed in here. Now there's a couple of other ways I've seen that you can sort this out. I mean, you can actually physically drill holes through here and actually use a long drill bit to go through. But then you have to patch up the hole that you've made, either weld it back up or put some kind of stuff like that called quick steel onto it. But I don't know if we really want to go down that road with this. The other most insane way you can do it is you can blow oxyacetylene, pure oxygen through and basically set the carbon on fire and burn it out the other end. That's referred to as the solid rocket booster method, and I don't think we want to do that either. So what I might do is I might just try and order one, find one on eBay or something like that. A genuine Volkswagen one, mind you, not a reproduction one, because those can be very problematic. They're not made from the same castings as the old Volkswagen ones, and they might not fit on the van. They may not line up properly with the other ends of the heat riser. So we'll try and find one of those, and then we'll come back to this later. Okay, so this arrived yesterday from West Coast VW over in the UK. This is an inlet manifold of a Beetle, but it's the same engine that we have in our van. So This should fit on it. It looks identical to that one anyway. So yeah, I think this is this is clear. Well, the seller said that that the inlet pipe was clear end to end, but yeah, we'll just test it out anyway and just get out any dust and dirt or anything that's in there at the moment. So I'm just going to run this through. Hey, all the way down. Very good. Let's try the other side. Excellent. Cool. Now, I'll just blow a bit of air through as well, just to get any particles out. This is my clown whistle. It's an oil suction pump, but it'll do for this now because I don't have a compressor. I hope to get one soon. But let's try and put some air through this. Wow! Hey, see that? Yeah, a lot of dust came out there. So we'll give it another blow from the other side. Yeah, very good. Cool. So I think that is slightly clear now. I'll put a little bit of carb cleaner down there as well, just to leave it soak there overnight, just to break up any other little bits that might be in there, just to get it totally as clean as we can before we put it back on the van. And also before I put it back on the van, I will just clean it up a bit. Yeah, just remove some of the old paint and just spray it up a bit and make it look a bit better before we put it back on. But yeah, I think this will do the job. So hopefully we will eliminate our carb icing problem with this replacement manifold.